In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Canva. Cropping is an essential skill for anyone looking to refine their designs or simply make an image fit better into their project. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to sharpen your designing skills, this tutorial will walk you through the straightforward process of cropping images using Canva. Let's start by opening your Canva dashboard and selecting the design where you want to crop an image. Once your design is open, locate and click on the image you'd like to crop. This action highlights the image and brings up a variety of editing options. Next, you'll want to click on the crop icon. It's typically represented by a square with two overlapping lines resembling a pair of scissors. Clicking this icon opens a cropping interface which we'll now use to adjust our image. Now you have two options to crop your image efficiently. First, try using the Smart Crop feature. Smart Crop automatically detects the key elements of your photo and adjusts the crop accordingly to maintain the image's composition and focus. It's an easy and quick way to ensure your cropping looks professional without manually adjusting anything. If you prefer more control, you can manually select an aspect ratio from the options provided. You'll see a few default aspect ratios such as 16:9, 1.1 and more depending on your needs. Selecting one of these aspect ratios allows you to ensure consistency across different images or projects if that's what you're aiming for. Once you've chosen your desired aspect ratio, drag the crop handles to adjust the frame as needed. After you're satisfied with the crop, it's time to finalize it by clicking on the Done button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of your editing screen. By clicking it, you apply the changes and your image will now appear cropped in your design exactly as you've customized it. And there you go, you've successfully cropped your image. Remember, the key to effective cropping is ensuring your image maintains its focus and fits well within your design while still looking crisp and clean. Cropping is more than just cutting down an image. It's about optimizing the image for your creative vision. Practicing cropping with different images will help enhance your designs and improve your visual storytelling. Feel free to explore additional editing features that Canva offers, as you might find other tools that can complement your cropping process, such as filters or background removals. Enjoy designing with your newly cropped images and experiment with different ideas to create engaging visuals. Thanks for watching and see you next time.